You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this bone located in the middle ear. If you want to learn more names from science, Latin, anatomy, medicine, stay tuned to the channel. Got tons more. The English pronunciation derives from the Latin pronunciation malleus. In English, however, it's normally pronounced as malleus, ma-li-us. Stress on the first syllable. English pronunciation malleus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.